Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a highly requested video of what fits in my Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Dopp kit in the color red. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this beautiful bag, I will leave a link below so you can check out my first impressions as well as a couple of other items that I picked up and unboxed along with this beauty. So if you are interested in seeing what fits in my Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Dopp kit in the color red, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to do is just quickly go over just a couple of features about this Dopp kit. So basically I plan to use this as a cosmetic case pouch type thing when I am traveling, and I thought that this would be the perfect accessory to add a nice little pop of color to some of my travel pieces. The very front, I love it because the Dooney Bourke logo is very understated, which I absolutely love. On the top, it has two little tabs here to help you get inside of the bag and get a good grip on it while you are putting your items in and out. It has a zipper that goes all the way from one end of the bag to the other. There is no feet on the bottom. It has a very nice smooth zipper. Very nice and smooth. And it opens up to a humongous interior. So the inside is lined with a beautiful navy blue in cotton. So it kind of reminds me of the inside of the bags, but it is just colored blue. Very nice and substantial, very sturdy. The inside has one zip pocket, which goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. It has a pocket here in the front that is inscribed with a cute little duck, maybe kind of hard to see, in that pebbled leather. And on the other side, there is no pockets at all. So this is just a huge open pit. Very nice size. So there you have it guys. I just wanted to share with you some of the features of this beautiful Dopp kit. So now let's go into the inside and see what items I plan to pack inside of this little kit. So right now, you guys, this is what I currently carry, and this is just a little mesh case that I got from Mary Kay a few years back. So I am so excited to be able to add something to my travel accessories that is a little bit more stylish. So let's get started. Let's see here. The first thing that I am going to put in here is some Bath & Body Works Rainbow Body Oil, and this is in the flavor Marshmallow Magic. So I'm not quite sure if I would want to put this in here like this, but you know what? Let's just try it. So again, this is just a big open pit, so I'm just going to just start throwing items in, because I don't think that this will sit up and close. No, it won't. So I'm going to have to lay it to the side. So the next thing that is a must-have in my Dopp kit is Purity Made Simple by Philosophy. This is a one-step facial cleaner. So let's just see if this will stand up. Yes, that is perfect. So I'm just going to stand that up because I don't really want anything in here to spill or to have any accidents. So the next thing that I'm going to put in is my Bath and Body Works Ultra Shea Body Cream, and this is in the Blackberry and Basil formula. So this, I am just going to lay it right next to the body oil. So I also have the Blackberry and Basil Fine Fragrance Mist, so I'm going to put that here as well because I don't think that it will stand up. That's the bummer about this bag, that I am going to have to lay my items down, which is perfectly fine as well. And then I am going to put in my Bath and Body Works Pure Simplicity, and this is the Acai Berry Face and Body Refresher. I use this to spray on my face as a refresher after I put on my face powder. So this may, now I may have to put that to the side as well. And then I have my hair utensils here, and I can just stick that on this back wall. And then here I have my brush that I will also stick there. And I have a oldie but a goodie. This is the Pond's Dry Skin Face Cream. Absolutely love, love, love this face cream. I'm going to stick that there. I have my Tropical Paradise deodorant. So I am just going to put that in this corner right here. And that actually fits very nice. Then I have my toothpaste here. And then I'm just going to put in some bronzer, and this is by Black Radiance. This is the Ginger Snap. I use this as a highlighter. So I am going to actually stick that in the pocket there. And then I also have my Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder, and this is in the color 177. And I am going to put that in that pocket as well. And then I have my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I can just stick that right there in the corner. I have another oldie but goodie, my go-to eyeshadow palette, and this is the Vanity palette by Wet n Wild. Just some nice neutrals. And I'm going to put that here too. Pretty much anything that can shatter, I think I'm going to put it in this pocket here, and I'll be safe by doing that. And my brushes, and you guys, these brushes are dirty, so excuse the brushes. So I have a few brushes right here. So what I will probably do with these is put a brush cover around them and then just kind of sit them here on the top. And as you can see, we have this thing almost full to the top. And let's just see if it's going to close. So pretty much I have all of my essentials in here. I have my face cleanser, I have my moisturizer, I have my body spray and body lotion, my toothbrush and toothpaste in there, deodorant, my face brushes, my hair utensils, and I have just a few little makeup items in here. So that is pretty much the only thing that I carry. I may add in a few other smaller items. Let's just see how this is going to zip. So I already see that I am going to have to turn my Purity to the side because it is not going to close if I have it standing straight up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that here, and then I'm just going to put my moisturizer there. And I still have room on the top here to be able to put something there if I wanted to put maybe a bar of soap or Tide to Go or anything like that. So let's just see. Oh my gosh, I am so loving this. So let's just zip it up. You guys, I've never had one of these before, so I'm still trying to figure out how these things work. So as you can see, there is a little bulge there, but I just press it out of the way. But as you can see, it holds all of my items, and it is heavy. I would actually suggest lots of travel size items, but I don't have many on hand. So this would actually give you an idea of how the larger items would fit in this Dopp kit. I can say that, and as you can see, you see some bulges here from the items in that pocket, which is perfectly fine for me because that's what these type of items are used for, is to be able to carry all of your travel essentials. So here we have it, all nice and packed, the Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Dopp kit in the color red. So excited to carry this. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this what fits in my Dopp kit, and this was the first time trying this to see what all fits, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.